I'm going to show you how to set a cell highlighting rule in the Excel app. First, we have to open up the app. Here it opens up like this. From here, we just going to click on a cell that we want to format. And then we click on conditional formatting. This is going to open up this, this list. And here we click on highlight cells rules. And here we have a few rules. And then we can add our own rule even. Yeah. So you can set up how you are going to format this cell and what are the conditions for this formatting, for the highlighting. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.